St. Francis de Sales says, a true friendship is a mutual love. If it is not mutual, then it is not a friendship. Jesus' love always been mutual, always been faithful. He always taught us how to walk with others. He always taught us how to listen to others without any judgment. Jesus' love is always mutual, and therefore He is a constant companion for us during good times as well as during bad times. He's there with us, close to us, walking with us, listening to us, to our own problems, to our own difficulties. He not only listens, but He gives us solution. He's a true friend. And therefore, during the Last Supper, He tells His friends, disciples, that I no longer call you servants, I call you friends, because I have shared everything with you. And today, Jesus wants us to be our friend. He wants us to be our friend. What does this mean? What does friendship mean in today's busy and distracted world? Is there a deep and lasting friendship in today's world? Someone says friendship is all about lost art, or a friend is just the word that we use on Facebook. But someone said beautifully, if you have one genuine friend, a mutual friend, one authentic friend, you are a lucky person. And even the proverb says, some friends bring ruins on us, but true friend is more loyal than a brother. Yes, my friend, Jesus, or Jesus' love is mutual, is genuine, is faithful. He's teaching us not only to love one another, but He's teaching us to listen to one another, to listen to the stories of one another without any judgment. Just to listen. He's also teaching us to walk with one another, with compassionate heart, with merciful heart.